Hey, what's up everybody? It's TJ with Sanctified Homes, and we are talking today about how to set your windows, okay? So the first thing and most important thing is getting that window opening ready and prepped. You know, if you've been following along in the Bushel Hill Haven project, that's the one we're at today. Our framers actually took and built out these window bucks, right? So we have videos on all of that. But the cool thing is where we built out the window buck, they actually made a 5-degree bevel on that. So this is a slope sill. So if somehow water gets down in here and hits this sill, it's gonna slope and run out versus running back into the house. The second thing that we have to talk about when we're prepping our opening is you're gonna have to shim your window, especially because you put the sill with the slope, but you don't wanna stick wood in there then, because if moisture gets in here and your shim is sitting in here, right, and that's a piece of wood, that has potential to rot out, and then that could cause failures for your window, harder to open, maybe close. So we use a composite shim so that we have no potential for any rotting or the window to shift. So kind of as they're getting the window opening ready, they're gonna make sure this is all cleaned off. We'll get you guys some pictures of this or video popping in here so you can see them setting a window in the opening. You'll see they have the shim going back in this way, so it'll get cut off here so that it's flush with the entire opening here. So we have a flat surface for that window to sit on. Then you'll see as they put the window in, we already have this all protected, right? So it's all, this window buck is taped. It rolls into the inside, so we have a continuity with the layer for the air sealing that we'll show you later on the inside how we do that. So as you can see here, they're gonna set the window in. They have the shims down. They'll put down our Lexel around the sides, the top, and nothing on the bottom. So as you'll see when they get that set, they'll screw this in, right? But then they're also gonna tape that seam again with our Weather Logic tape, but you will not see any tape on this bottom seam because, again, if somehow moisture got in here in this pan of your window, it has to be able to escape. So we don't want water to just sit in here. We want to be able to run out and away. So again, you should be able to see here how the window is not taped on the bottom. We obviously still have that continuity with our weather barrier to be protecting. And then on the inside, you'll see here, we use the air dam from Proseco with a backer rod to help air seal all the way around the window. We're not relying on the tape at this point to be our air seal detail for the window. So hopefully that makes sense. If you guys have any questions about this or just this window install process, make sure you're reaching out, ask questions. Like, we're here to help. We want to make sure you guys have all the answers you need, whether you're a contractor or a homeowner. You know, reach out, let us know what your thoughts are on why we built out this window buck, why it's so important in a cold climate to make sure you have that blanket of insulation on your home. But again, there's a ton of detail that goes into this. We're kind of high level view of showing it, but it's, you know, what type of tape do we use on the corner to make sure that's stretched over the corner so there's no potential gaps for air or thermal leaks. So in the meantime, don't forget to raise your standard. We'll talk to you guys soon.